Hi everybody, I'm Tiff Howie from Broom Boat Sales, and today we're bringing you a full broker tour of something really special. I'm on board the Broom Admiral called Katinka. Now this is a 1961 build boat built in Brundall, Norfolk by Broom Boats. This boat is a little bit different to the normal Admiral you might have seen around. This one was built for a private client, completely bespoke. She is a slightly lengthened version of the Admiral as well, so it's a little bit longer than the traditional build. She's in a stunning condition. I would say the best condition boat for this age I've ever seen. So without further ado, let's take a look around Katinka. So this is our first look at Katinka. She's a vessel of mahogany carved construction, and she's an Admiral class vessel designed primarily for inland and coastal cruising. The hull is an Oroco on oak frames with bespoke build, which was strengthened and lengthened slightly for coastal voyages to enable her owners to explore numerous rivers and inland waterways of the UK. She's completely varnished to the waterline with a varnished mahogany coach roof and cabin sides. She was originally in the same ownership for the first 52 years of her life and has always been stored internally in wet sheds. This is without doubt the best condition Admiral I've ever seen. So traditionally the Admirals were about 42 feet long. This one, having been lengthened, is actually 44 feet. We're going to start taking a look on the inside now. So when we step into the well at the back, we find the first entry door, and this leads straight into the galley, which is to stern. This is very well equipped, so you have your worktop there, sink, storage, two 40-volt sockets, a 2-burner hob, as well as oven and refrigerator. We head further forward and then we find the saloon. This also offers sleeping for 2 people with those beds which will convert the sofas that convert to beds on either side. Again, we have 2 40-volt sockets there, storage, and loads of natural light. You can see here internally how well this boat has been kept. This area is great for relaxing or for dining, and just ahead there we find a WC which has electric toilet, sink, and a heated towel rail, and a window there which is frosted for privacy as well. Then we find the wheelhouse. This is located in the centre, and this whole roof section will slide back so you can have a lovely open air as you drive. Helm position is over on the port side, and her original BMC engine has been replaced with a Nani 4220HE 50 horsepower shaft drive engine. Ahead of there we find the master cabin. This has an offset double berth to the port side, vanity unit, and plenty of storage on the starboard side, and your electrics panel is at the back of the bed there as well. Again, loads of natural light in this area. We head further forward of that, and port side we find the heads compartment, again WC, sink, and heated towel rail, and separately on the starboard side we have a completely separate shower compartment, which is really practical. We have this lovely hallway heading to the forward cabin, plenty of storage to the port and starboard side as you head across. And then we find the V berth. So this will give sleeping for an additional 2 persons. Again, natural light is in abundance here, and this is a very comfortable cabin to stay in. And we look above and you'll see there is an additional window which faces out to the bow of the boat there. And then this is the view facing aft from this cabin. So that is our full tour on the Broom Admiral Katinka completed today. She is actively for sale with us at the moment, so if you are interested in more information or to arrange a viewing, get in contact with us and we'd be happy to organise that with you. I do hope that you enjoyed this tour. Thank you for taking the time to come around with me today. Make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel for all of our latest broker tour videos, where we post those regularly, and I will see you next time.